Hello everyone and welcome to the latest video on my YouTube channel, Digger Evans. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone who's recently subscribed and all those who are already subscribed. I've had an up and down few days with YouTube. I've gained subscriptions and YouTube are removing them for some reason. But if you have subscribed, thank you ever so much. I really do appreciate it. Right, what we're looking at here is a corner module, and it goes in the opposite corner from the one where I have the church and the old factory. These are a bit more of a modern factories, and I've brought it out off the layout. You can see I've put a little TV camera up there. I've added the manufacturing sign there, Millbox Manufacturing, just a made up name. I don't even know what they make. And I've capped all the top of the bricks off. The brick wall, I've capped them all off with this stuff, which again is from Scale Model Scenery. It's really cheap. It's just cardboard, laser cut into small stones that you'd call capping stones that go along the tops of walls. Let's see if we can get in. Sorry about that. I've gone over the top with all those, and then I've just put a little bit of weathering powder in the joints, just to make it look like they've been there a while. I'm more or less finished for now on that particular job for that unit, and that can go back in. I've also had a mail call this morning. It was recently my birthday, as most of you know. Thank you all very much for your good wishes. And a very good friend of mine, Tim Delahaye, a very dear friend of mine, he sent me a gift voucher for a present, and I bought some stuff with it, so I'll show you what we got. These are the roller shutter doors, and they're, I don't know, can you see that? Yeah, they go on the outside of factories and warehouses and the like. And I got some low relief buildings made from MDF, and I thought I could use them for that. They're very well made. If you look at the back there, these are a laser cut, and they've got all the corrugations laser cut. It's fantastic, and they're actually, you know, it actually is corrugated. It looks incredible. It looks really good. So I can't wait to get those and get those built. That's the next thing I'm going to do. Use those on those low relief buildings. They look brilliant. Really good product. That relatively new, I think. I got these tires because I've just made a tire bay, so I've got a load of laser cut tires. It saves looking for old models and pulling all the tires off. These are going to go with that. They've got tread on them, what have you, and again they're very simple, just 3 pieces to stick together, and then paint them all up in black tire colour. More of these cardboard boxes. I love them, can't get enough. I'm going to make some for a packaging depot, for you know, like a mail depot, where all the parcels come through. I can't do that, damn reflection. Right, and so I'm going to make little labels on them just by using coloured pens, really just dabbing them on here and there, and it looks like labels. So I'm build those up, and I've still got a few left of those that I built from last time. We're going to put them out as, you know, rubbish and general stuff here and there. And the last thing I got with Tim's generous present was these window grills and stuff. You can see right through them. They're like a honeycomb cut through, and those must have took some time on the old laser cutter, these, and some window bar grills, that type of thing. They go over drains, over walkways, any way you can think of. I have got a few different sorts of these now, and I didn't have this actual one. I've got the steel walkways and things like that, so I just bought this one because it's the one that I didn't have. I've got an absolute bunch of kits in here. I'll quickly show you how many kits I've got. I really run through them quickly. Those are the speed and direction signs on the railway. I've got some more shelving there to build up. Let's see, letterings, and I'll find the other grills. Those are letterings, luggage straps on wagons and trucks and things, car registration plates. Those are a lot of transfers that you just rub on. Some more paving to go on. I'm going to probably need more of that because I've got that area that used to be the farm. Those are the date stones. The wall tie plates, those are brilliant, brilliant addition. They actually old-fashioned wall ties, what they used to use on big mills and things. Similar to a ghost sign, but it's a peel and stick old brewery sign. Got the railings. This was one of the walkways there, and I've already built those up. Office desks and furniture. I've built one set of those already. Station signs, windows. These are the other grills I've got. That there, those are when you put steel girders together. Those are the gusset plates, what they fasten them with. There's absolutely tons of stuff here to keep me busy. Exterior doors for scratch buildings, or you want to just change the doors. These are the walkways that you get to cross the rails. Trackside walkway, great. You don't have to walk across the rails, but they can be used for all other kind of things. I've used these to cover windows. I've used them to make fire escapes when you put brackets underneath. I had a couple of packs of those. Those are the bicycles. Individual paving slabs, because you never know where you just need to fit a few curbstones or flags outside of an area. Absolutely loads of stuff. The stone coinage for when you don't do your coinage really well, you can use those. Quayside and station harbour steps. I've built one set up, I've shown you that. Bus stop signs and little bus shelters. I've got lots and lots of stuff to keep me busy. So that's going to keep me busy for quite some time. A lot of that stuff I'm going to leave until I've got nothing else to do, and I can just sit and build some of those quietly away. But that's it for now. It's just a quick mail call show you that corner unit that I've finished off, and I'll look at all the kits that we've got for building. I'm not going to build them all at once. They'll just there to keep me busy during dull moments, especially in the horrible autumn and winter months when it's dull and depressing. That's all for now. I really appreciate everyone who has subscribed. Once again, thank you all very, very much. I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye bye for now. Thank you all.